Hi everyone, Marr here, author of Generative AI in Practice, 100 plus amazing ways generative artificial intelligence is changing business and society. Let's dive into how Instacart is changing the game with generative AI. First, we have the Ask Instacart feature. Imagine finding dishes to pair with your meals or searching for gluten-free snacks directly in the Instacart app. Thanks to AI, powered by ChatGPT, you get personalized shopping and dietary advice instantly. It's all about making your grocery shopping as smooth as possible. You can now also use their generative AI to create recipes. So if you fancy a carrot cake, the Instacart ChatGPT plugin not only finds your recipe, but also sorts out your shopping list, delivering what you need right to your doorsteps. Though, be prepared for some quirky AI-generated recipe photos. And then there's using AI behind the scenes. So Instacart doesn't just use AI for customer interactions. Internally, AI streamlines operations, from developing chatbots to assisting employees in writing and enhancing code. This tech boosts productivity and makes data more accessible to everyone at Instacart. Instacart also uses AI with their retail partners. When it comes to handling requests from retail partners, generative AI simplifies it by summarizing and categorizing tickets. This efficiency helps Instacart prioritize better and serve partners more efficiently. So in summary, Instacart's embrace of generative AI isn't just innovative, it's central to their service, from enhancing customer experience to optimizing internal operations. AI is at the heart of Instacart's strategy. For more insights on generative AI, stay tuned, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my book, Generative AI in Practice.